Hi guys, so today you will see how to remove the hard drive of the old CQ20 HP laptop, right? So the reason why we're going to remove this is because the laptop is no longer working, but we need to use the hard drive, right? So this is how you remove the hard drive. You just have to unscrew the screws, right? And then so you just need to use a small screwdriver that will fit to the screws of the old one. So this is the old hard drive, okay, and you still need to unscrew this screw here so that you can pull the hard drive. Okay, so there, be careful because there is a spring on that screw. Yeah.
Is it a phone mount or a phone eye? Is this a phone mount?
Alright, so to remove the hard drive, you need to pull it, and then once you pull it, there you go. This is the hard drive. Yeah. Alright, so this is it. Hope you learned from the video, and till our next video. Bye bye.